Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to a restaurant of Muizenberg just to see the ocean view from this restaurant. Actually, I heard about it. It's in a good place in Cape Town. If you come here in Muizenberg, you must visit this restaurant. So you can see and you can enjoy the wave of the ocean with good food actually. Can you see the wave is really nice and you can feel, but I have to say you can't shower here. Can you see? And you can spend some good time with your family. As a Muslim, I want to share with you a hadith. Just remember one thing. إنما الأعمال بالنيات. In Arabic, it means deeds are according to intention. Listen to me carefully. Deeds are according to intentions. So it depends on you. If you think, yes, I'll go one day, I'll visit all over the world. Yes, it's possible. It's up to you. It's in Arabic, your niyyah. How is your niyyah? So, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep well. Have a good day.